This is how you can make money online, whether you're a teenager or an adult. And I listed several things, several ways to make money where I have made money myself, just to prove to you that it is possible and that you can get decent money out of doing these things online. You probably already heard all these things I'm about to list out right now. If you just do a quick Google search online, but these things are the ones that work. If you try to look for quick, easy money with doing little work, it's not worth it in my opinion. And I'm gonna be giving some examples of what I'm talking about. So let's start out with number one. This list is not in order, it's just completely random. So anyway, number one would be YouTube. Obviously, you probably heard this a lot. I'm not gonna talk much about this, but you can actually generate a lot of money as a small channel on YouTube. And I made a whole video about this, of how much money I earn with my YouTube channel that's about 1,000 subscribers. 1,500, I guess, right now. And you can go check that video out. The link will be down below in the description. And so yeah, as a small channel, I get from $1 to $2 a day. So yeah, about $50 a month, which is not bad for just 1,000 subscribers. Of course, if I start getting more views in my videos and my subscribers and my channel just continue growing, that is gonna become a lot more money. Let's move on to number two. Now this is only or mainly if you have already a presence on social media, so like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, anything like that. Affiliate marketing, all right? So if you guys want me to go through a whole tutorial on how to sign up affiliate marketing, even internationally, with sign up different accounts, so you can do international links, then make sure to like this video and comment that down below. But Amazon affiliate is actually a great way I make money. You'd be amazed of how many people click on your link and actually purchase stuff on Amazon, and it's fairly easy to set up. I guess the thing here is that you need a big audience already. You need a lot of people watching your videos. In fact, almost all the products that have been purchased through my affiliate links were from the big videos I have, the most popular videos. I have over 10,000 views, which is kind of hard to get if you have a very small channel. But if you're making a lot of views and a lot of likes on Instagram or all that kind of stuff, then I would definitely go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna make a video coming up about this affiliate, of how much money I make. If you want to see that, once again, go comment that down below. Now there's another one where I don't know if I should include it or not. Amazon MTurk. Honestly, okay, this is not really passive income, but more it's active work, but it's very little money, easy to get. You just do a couple tasks, fairly simple tasks, but you get 9 cents, 10 cents, $1. It's very cheap for actually a lot of time. I don't suggest you doing this actually, unless you need a couple bucks to start off with. You just need a quick, easy way to make money. Then yes, I will do that. But if you have the time, I'm talking months and years, all right, to start growing a channel, growing an audience on social media and all that kind of stuff, then I highly suggest doing a YouTube channel, affiliate links, what I've listed before, and what I'm about to list right now, which is Upwork. What is Upwork? All right, Upwork is a freelancer website where you can work as a freelancer or hire, and obviously you're gonna be working here if you want the money. So on Upwork, it's a little bit different from Fiverr. I'm gonna be talking about that later on. On Upwork, you have to go to the people who are wanting to hire, and you have to submit a proposal, and if they accept you, then you can start working and you actually make a decent amount of money. But of course, with Upwork, you have to be, or you don't have to be, but I highly suggest you already have a skill or something you're really good at. So for me, for example, it would be translating from English to Italian, so I can try to find a job that will, where I can translate some things for people, because I can speak both Italiano and English, so that'd be a good job for me. But what I actually have worked on is video editing. I only did it for 2 people, but I did it mainly for this one person, and I actually generated about $100 until I got banned, because you're technically supposed to be 18 years old. I know it's not really written anywhere, but you're supposed to be 18 years old to do Upwork. I'm still not 18 yet, so yeah, that's why I'm not doing Upwork anymore. But as soon as I turn 18, I will try to get back doing that, because I actually made a lot of money. So yeah, although Upwork is not technically a passive income, but it's still a great way to make money online, which is kind of the point of this video, if you know what I mean. Now, that's all I'm gonna say about Upwork. If you wanna get to know more information about this kind of stuff, then make sure you go watch YouTube videos about this. There's tons of YouTube videos. For example, Jack Cole makes great YouTube videos about Upwork and how to make money on there. Make sure to go check him out. Otherwise, let's move on to Fiverr. It's kind of the same idea. You're a freelancer, but this is different because you post your gig. So you say, hey, I am a video editor. I can I can edit videos for you, or I can 3D design. I don't know what you do, what you're specialized in. And you post the gig and people look for you. All right, it works a little different. I haven't made money on Fiverr. I actually I just posted my gig yesterday, making like Fortnite thumbnails and editing your videos. So yeah, if you do want me as an editor, go check me out on Fiverr. So yeah, I'm not gonna spend too much time on Fiverr because everyone knows what it is, and I haven't made money on it. So why would it be, talking about it if I haven't made money on myself? But I know that it is a great way. People have made lots and lots of money. Let's move on to this great way of making money. And actually a lot of people don't know about this. A lot of people don't do this. And I think especially with coronavirus, everyone in quarantine, and with this type of situation that is going on, everyone's freaking out. It's investing in stocks. Guys, I made a whole video about this. Link will be down below in the description. Stocks are wild. They're going up and down. I highly suggest you get into this. It's not that hard. It's easy. You buy when it's low, and right now they're low, so I highly suggest you guys buying, and sell once the prices go back up. Fairly simple. Right now I made actually about $150 to $200, because after that video that I made right here, I sold some things and I bought some more. And every month you just gotta keep on putting some money in to invest, and you gotta sell and buy. It's a great way to make money, and I think it's a great experience to learn. So actually I got like several more, but they haven't really worked out for me, and they're not the best way, so I'm not gonna list them as like the top, but I'll just kind of side mention it right before I get into the last one, which is a main way to make money. Now this is actually, if you have a lot of followers and people who wanna buy stuff from you, merch. Now you see all these YouTubers selling their merch. Well, they get a lot of money out of merch actually. And obviously I know that a lot of you watching probably don't have like that many followers for people to actually buy your stuff. But a great thing you can start doing right now is setting up your merch account with Teespring, or if you're good at making websites, then you can actually try to get hired on Upwork and also make your own website. See? And make your own website so you can sell your merch on there. But if you don't know how to do that, just use Teespring or other websites like that. I have my own Teespring account where I have merch. I only have like 2 or 3 shirts. I'm not really getting into all that kind of stuff now, not this moment. But the way you can make money on this is if you have friends who want to buy merch from you, or if you have, friends who want a custom shirt. So like, I don't know, if they want like a little flower exactly right where the neck is, you can do that. You can create that for them and make them pay a little more than what it's actually worth. And of course the website does this for you, so you can make a little commission out of this. So yeah, that is it for like the top and the main things where you can make money out of. Please comment down in the description if I miss any. If you're liking this video, then smash the like button. So I'm just gonna quickly mention some other ways you can make money. It's not the most efficient ways, but kind of like fast, easy ways to make money is active work. So there's this website called Prolific, and they do online surveys, and I'm kind of starting out with that. I'm gonna check it out first. Apparently they say you can make about $5 to $20 a month. I'm just gonna include all the online surveys that they have. You can just do a Google search, online surveys. And yeah, there's several ways you can get money out of there. And then there's this web browser called Brave, where apparently if you use their browser and watch some of their ads that they have for you, you can make some money out of it. It's not a lot. I believe it's about about $10 a month, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's not bad if you just use a browser, which I'm considering doing, but I don't know if I really trust it. But apparently it's very popular. A lot of people use it, and it's the most used web browser in Japan, more than Google actually. So maybe it is trustworthy, I don't know. Another way to make money, quick and easy, just a little bit of money, is microworkers and Mturk, which is like basically the same idea. So I actually have a microworkers account. I don't do anything right now. I don't work anymore, and this is why. So this is my account. So I have made $4.31, all right? I've been working on this thing for a lot. I've spent so much time on this. And look at this, 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents, 20 cents, 8 cents, 13. And they take a long time just to complete this little task, and you only get 5 cents out of it. And you're only allowed to withdraw once you reach $8, which kind of sucks. I mean, I'd have to spend double amount of time working just to get $9. I don't think it's worth it. I'd rather work on YouTube videos where I make a lot more money just from that. And MTurk is pretty much the same way. I've seen videos of people in like 2 hours trying to get the most money. They only made like 50 cents or something like crazy low like that. It's not worth it, guys. So yeah, this is just a video of showing you how you can make money online, different ways, and what is the best way for you. If you guys like this video, make sure to like the video, as well as subscribe to my channel